She just cooked this one, the beef with vegetables, fresh. And this one is really good. I need to try this. This is they call it frijoles, but frijoles in Zamboanga City is different. We have like, we eat like the whole frijoles, not only the seeds. And then the rice, the Mexican rice. When Mexican is cooking, they always use the tomato. Oh my god. And the egg. I don't know what I need.
Eggs and the tomato and mixed up.
And mixed up.
Hot sauce.
What the house? The sauce?
Hot sauce.
Salsa?
Sí.
Salsa. And this is her. Dioni.
Very nice.
La Tabasco. Very nice. Okay. Yo probando sus huevos, cosa por sabor. Yo su crítica, mirando, probando. Poquito que por causa eso vende. Él es muy limpia cocinando. She always like very clean when cooking. That's why I eat her food and that's the secret. Okay. Now I need more rice. A little bit rice. No rice. Singkami mo natin man niya kume. Ibalik natin para hindi niya malaman na kumain ako. Joke lang. Hindi ko lang. Mezcla. I will mix a little bit of this. A little bit. Probando. Okay. See that? Very beautiful. The egg. The rice. The beef. And the last is, okay, this is my food now. I'm eating and using their bowl. Mexican bowl. Mexicana. And that's the beans. Very fresh, huh? There she is.
Todo sucia.
Mirando. Yeah, yo no puedo sucia, que por causa Joana Ayala, licenciado. As you see the chicken. Oh my God, what a waste. Todo sabor ahí. Wow. I'll only try a little bit. Let me see. Ang sarap. Ang sabroso. See, that's why. Yeah. ¿Quitándose todo?
¿Eh?
Ahora quitando. ¿Tú ahí? Aquí.
Aquí.
Okay, I'm gonna take off now because she's already getting and I'm gonna help her. And bye, people.